Make the model wear a pearl necklace. Change the hairstyle to a curly afro. So to use this, you can either upload a file or photo, or you generate it within the website. In this case, let's upload the photo that you already have. Her neck is plain. Let's give her some jewelry. We give it a prompt. Make the model wear a pearl necklace. You take a few seconds and there is our pearl necklace, pearl white. Maybe we don't like this hairstyle. Let's change the model's hairstyle to a curly afro, a curly bouncy afro. We input our prompt, change the hairstyle to a curly afro. We run the prompt, another few seconds, and there we go. Let's look at those curls. Let's try out another picture. Let's try this out on a child, on a young girl. Generate a headshot image of a 7-year-old girl wearing braids. Wow. Let's give her some jewelry too. Give her tiny white pearl earrings. Lovely. Change her hairstyle to bantu knots. So you can do this for your child, for yourself, for your customers. Try out different hairstyles, try out different clothes, try out makeup, try out different products. You can make this child, this person hold a product. You can make anyone, any celebrity hold your product for sale. You can change whatever you're designing, whatever you're selling. You have free models who can do this for you right here. You have a million ways you can use this website, so don't let it go to waste. Utilize it now when it's still available for free. Good luck.